Pizza Festival. The city of Naples in Italy organized the Naples Pizza Festival every year in September. This festival lasts for 11 days and attracts many pizza lovers. At the festivals, local pizza makers offer delicious pizzas to visitors, and people can attend pizza making workshops. Also, there are various music events and cultural shows during the feast. Pizza festivals do not only give people a chance to test delicious pizzas, but they also offer a fun and educational experience with many activities. People can make their own pizza dough and decorate it their favorite ingredients. Live music performances also take place during the festival. This makes the event a more active and social one. Local artists and bands increase the energy of visitors and create a fun atmosphere.